Welcome to the next video. So in this video, I want to show you how you install Wolfeye. So you received the link to your dashboard and the username and password. So you log into on the computer you want to monitor, you log into your dashboard, okay? Let's log into the dashboard. Yeah. Okay, and in this dashboard, you will see for each computer that you install Wolfeye, you will see a screen like this that will show you the live screen of that particular computer. So you can change here the grid to 5 columns, so you have smaller screens and you have more screens, or bigger screens. The default is 3 screens, okay? So the next thing I want to tell you is this link here. If you click it, it opens in a new tab and you see that particular screen, the live screen, in full size. Again, live screen means it's a screenshot that's updated every 2 to 3 seconds. Okay. And as you know, you have the option to enable screenshot history. And if it is enabled and you click on this hist link that you see here, for each screen that you get here, because for each computer you install it, you have to update this page and a new screen will appear for each computer, okay? So you can hit this hist link and it opens the screenshot history, so to speak. A screenshot is saved every 5 minutes. You can also change the interval to every 1 minute, every 3 minutes, or every 10 minutes, you decide, okay? And here is a download button. You can download all the screenshot pictures in zip file if you wanted to. But now you will install it on one computer or two. And after you install it and you hit this hist link, nothing will happen because I have to enable it on the server. So your task is now to install Wolfeye on each computer that you want to monitor. Yeah. And then that screen will appear here. But don't forget to update the page, yeah, because only after updating you will see the new computer screen here appearing, the new live screen for that new computer that you installed Wolfeye, okay? So now we will download Wolfeye Remote Screen, but very important, before we download Wolfeye Remote Screen, we have to put the installation path, which is this. Here is an eye icon, yeah? You see this eye symbol here? If you go hover with the mouse over it, then this path appears. And if you click on it, it copies that path. See users public documents because that's the installation path for Wolfeye. And we have to copy it because now before we even download Wolfeye, we must put that into the antivirus exception of the antivirus software. So, and you do that like this. You click this Windows search field below and type in antivirus, okay? And search for virus and threat protection. Here, this is in German, but in English it is virus and threat protection. You click it and the virus and threat protection opens, okay? Then you go to virus and threat protection settings. This is here in my case, and click on settings, yeah? You click on settings, then you scroll down and go to exclusions. Exclusions. Add exclusion. Wait. Add exclusion. You have to enter your password, and then you hit this and add an exclusion for the folder. Very important. The folder. You click on folder, and then here you paste the path that you just copied from the website. You paste it, enter, and then you hit this choose the folder, and you added it to your antivirus exception. That's it. If you do not use the Windows Defender antivirus software, then contact me and I will help you install, put or set the antivirus exception for your antivirus software. Let's say you have, I don't know, Kaspersky or whatever other antivirus software, then it would obviously be different. But it is important before you hit the download button to put this path that you copy by clicking this eye icon, copy it, put it into your antivirus exception, okay? And now, after I put it, I can hit the download folder and it will download it directly into the download folder, okay? You go to your download folder and you right mouse click, because this is a zip file. You see, it's a zip file. You right mouse and extract all, extract it. It creates a new folder, and you go into that folder, and this is the installation wizard. So now you can double click the installation wizard, you double click it, and a blue screen appears. That's only the first time a blue screen appears. You click on more information, and click run anyway. You run it, and the installation wizard opens. Okay, it is this. Sometimes you have to click here if you don't see it. It is, you see, it hides here. You have to click here. Okay, now you install it by hitting this install button. Okay, you hit it, and it is installed. And now you finish it by hitting this finish button. You finish it. If this is enabled, it will open Wolfeye. Okay, this is the Wolfeye. And to run Wolfeye, you must click two buttons. The first button is the green button that says share screen. And the moment you hit it, and the moment you hit it, it's already sharing. It turns red and it's sharing the screen. From this moment on, you will see the live screen. You see, this is the live screen. You already will see the live screen of that particular computer. And if you hit the stealth mode, now you have to hit this blue button. You hit it, and it goes into background. It hides itself, so to speak, and continues to run into the background. And here you see everything that's been done on my computer. I'm monitoring the same computer that I'm watching. Okay, so that's basically it. And the installation path is here. It is C, users, public documents, and W. This is the folder, and if you double click it, it opens the kernel application and it stops running. Okay, so this is how it works. But you, of course, you will not do that. You will let it like that. It will restart every time the Windows system is restarted. It will run into the background. That's how it works. Okay, so basically, it's very, very easy. Yeah, and if you need help, contact me. I will be very, very happy to help you. Have a nice day.